Welcome to the THL video tutorials. In this video, you'll see how to change the layout of an existing project page. If you want to create new pages or learn to organize and add content to your pages, look for those tutorials first. So as you populate your project pages with new content, that content is organized for display in a default page layout. So for example, on this home page, you can see that the content here is in two different columns, and that the column on the right is a little bit narrower than the column on the left here. But once you start populating your project, you might decide that you don't really like this layout, or you might want to try out another layout. So if you want to change this layout of the home page, simply click on the right sidebar link called Edit Homepage under this Manage section. If you're interested in changing the layout of a different page, you'll need to click on Advanced Pages right here, and then select a page to edit from this list, which appears on the next screen by clicking on the Edit page in the appropriate view. So we'll just click on Edit Page for the home page, which is basically just a shortcut for that other link. So now we'll see the Edit Page screen, providing us with a graphical layout of the default page organization. From here, you can customize the page by moving around the existing content panes in the regions of the default layout. And you'll see instructions for doing this at the top of the Edit Page screen. And you can also watch a quick video tutorial on panels and panes by clicking on the video tutorials link. For now though, we're just going to focus on the other way that you can customize your pages, which is changing the entire page layout. So to do this, click on Change Layout button, and we'll be given a chance to select a new layout from 6 different templates. And you can see them right here. So I'll just pick one of these. So I'll click on this and I'll click the Next button. So now this page is sort of the lab helping you automatically transfer content from one layout to the new layout. So this is kind of like deciding to reorganize your living room but letting someone else do the heavy lifting while you just give the directions. So the screen shows the old and new layout templates side by side, and then lets you specify how the content should be transferred from the panels in this layout to the panels in that layout. So I usually don't worry about this too much because I can move around the content with more specificity on the next page. So I'll just click Save here. And remember, you can always go back and reconfigure things, so just feel free to play with the templates. So after you click Save, we'll go back to this edit screen, and you can see that all of my content now appears in the top panel. And I can just move the content into different panels as I'd like. If you want to learn more about doing this, just go and watch the Panels and Panes video tutorial. So once you're done, click the Save button on this page, and we'll return to the project homepage and see the new layout. You can see everything's just stacked on top of one another in this layout. This tutorial has covered changing the layouts of pages in your Townsend Lab project. If you have any questions, just send us a message by clicking on the Contact tab at the top of the page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the lab.